Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
Smart doorbells don't always send alerts in the background because mobile operating systems limit background activity to save battery. This can interrupt real-time connections needed for instant notifications. To fix this, check that your app has permissions and background refresh enabled, or use devices with dedicated alert systems independent of active app use.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.